have to rest?
Natulog kami buong araw, ma'am.
That's nice to hear. Okay, sir. Unang-una, how are you po? Talagang ang daming gusto magtanong, kumusta po si President Duterte?
Sa awa ng Diyos, okay ako. Wala ka.
Okay, sir. Hindi na po ako magpapaligoy-ligoy pa, sir.
No.
Nitong weekend, lalo na kahapon, ang dami hong nagulantang at nagpanik dahil dun sa balita. Ano po ba talaga ang nakarating sa inyo, sir? Meron daw po ba kayo talagang warrant of arrest? Ano po?
Alam mo, ma'am, what is circulating in the city of Manila, it's almost the same that's being bruited around dito because of the communications. Very easy. As a matter of fact, it's almost instant. Ilang segundo lang. So, ang masasabi ko, ma'am, is though I do not claim ignorance about the moves before and long before and after a few months of respite, nandiyan na naman yung issue. So I guess this mga ano na ito issues, I would call them, would hound me until the dying days of my life.
Okay. So, ano to, sir? So, they won't really stop.
Again?
So, talagang hindi sila titigil, sir?
No, as I remain, mainly if I remain to be a politician all the year round. But it might simmer a little bit down the line. Siguro pag hindi na masyado ako active. But for as long as I am there in the political arena of the Republic of the Philippines, I would be a constant, not really issue, but a good copy for whatever I say or whatever I do, and what happened yesterday and what will happen tomorrow.
Alright.
Ganon kayo.
Sir, okay. Sir, does this bother you, sir? Itong mga naglutangang